Welcome. I want to show you a fantastic technique, something that we can do to our neck to allow those muscles to totally relax, to take us out of pain. So if you're having stiffness, pain, spasm, decreased mobility, this technique is probably going to be good for you. So what we're going to do two things to the neck. We're going to actually pull as we push. Now, what do we mean by that? Well, we're going to use these four fingers of both hands. So instead of just taking a muscle and massaging that little part of the muscle, we're going to work the entire neck at one time. So as we cross massage, we're getting neurological input, that bombardment of afferent messages going to the brain, making its way up the spine, the brain sending efferent messages back to the muscle. But those muscles are going to relax. So our objective here is if we get those muscles to relax, we're going to get you out of pain and distress. We're going to use these four fingers of both hands. We're not going to use the thumb. If you palpate or touch behind your neck, you'll feel those bones. Those are called spinous processes. We're going to take these four fingers of each hand, wrap it totally around our neck. As I come around this way, you'll see I can feel these spinous processes with my fingers. I want you to come a little bit off on both sides of it. You're going to squeeze inwards nice and firm as you pull outwards like this. Okay, that's one of our motions that we're going to do in this multitasking technique. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to take the heel of our hands, we're going to put it up against the side of our neck as our fingers are right here. And just watch my heels. We're going to push in towards the back of the neck. So at the same time, when we pull the fingers apart, our heels are pushing in. This is what it will look like. Okay, so if I grab my fingers around here in the back, I'm going to pull out, and this is going to pull in as I'm squeezing my fingers and my heel of my hand together. Okay, it's like a deep kneading. So as I pull it apart, our heels are going in, the heel of the hand, just like this. And it feels unbelievable because we're cross-fibering those muscles. And as you pull out with your fingers, you push in with your heel of your hand, and you do it again. And you'll do about 15 of those. And you could do a couple sets of those. And you can do those every day. You could do it twice a day. The reason why this technique is so effective is because we're working a multitude of muscles in the upper back, neck, as well as the suboccipital or occipital region. So these muscles compensate. So when a muscle becomes contracted, the other muscles start to make up for that weakness or that instability. But as we pull these muscles apart, the neurological bombardment to the brain is going to send messages back to the muscles to relax, to take you out of pain. I ask you to share this video on your social media so we can reach out to the world and help others. Leave your comments below. I'm anxious to hear how well you have done. And most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.